When power meets precision, you get the LG388 TLB, a machine built to handle it all. With a high-performance engine, the LG388 delivers unmatched power, whether you're loading, trenching, or excavating. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth and effortless operation, maximizing efficiency on every job site. Designed for tough terrain, this TLB is built to work where others can't. Powerful, yet incredibly agile. Step into comfort and control with an ergonomic cab, intuitive controls, and all-day operator convenience. From construction sites to farmlands, the LG388 is the ultimate workhorse, delivering strength, versatility, and reliability. Upgrade your fleet today, because when it comes to power and performance, the LG388 TLB stands above the rest.